Hello, fellow design enthusiasts. Feel familiar with this image? Well, in today's era, especially in the era of the Industrial Revolution, almost all aspects of our life require a digital touch in it. The variety of unique fonts and templates that you use from presentation in class, billboard and signs you see on the side of the road, even your favorite snack and your mom's skincare product have a digital touch on the packaging. The digital touch in all of that is what we call graphic design. So what is graphic designer? Graphic designer are creating visual concept using computer software or by hand to communicate ideas that motivate, inform, and enhance customers. A graphic designer creates poster, packaging, logo, and marketing materials depending on the nature of business. They do this through the strategic placement of image and text. Graphic designer may work at magazine, advertising, or marketing agency, and many more. They combine art and technology to communicate ideas through image or printed page. What the benefit of being a graphic designer? Are the prospect good? Can we make money and work easily just by creating visual content? Hello everyone, my name is Fabian Olivia Hardani, a graphic designer and design enthusiast, and for the next minutes I will talk about the benefit of being a graphic designer. List of content presentation today. First, why people need graphic designer. 2. Perks of being graphic designer work fields, and closing. Before we learn the benefit of being a graphic designer, first we must know why people need a graphic designer. This day, every industry needs a graphic designer, but no one can do every work individually without any help. Everyone requires some professional help and ideas to make things better and alluring. Clearly, one may need a graphic design to convey its message clearly and effectively. Graphic designing is a form of communication between your business and your audience. And for that, you must need the help of a graphic designer as they are trained to be able to convince by their ability to attract the customer with their amazing designs. Graphic design requires a creative expert. They combine art and technology in order to communicate a message. Here are some results of the work of graphic designer. Poster or flyer, brochure, website design, social media design, product design, and many more. Now that we know why people need a graphic designer, next we move to the perks of being a graphic designer. For Inspiria Education and Ramusan University page, these are some perks of being a graphic designer. Freedom to express your imagination. The biggest benefit of being a graphic designer is you have the liberty to express your imagination and creativity to the fullest. Whatever you imagine and visualize can be put in the form of display for others to appreciate, admire, or even criticize. Next. Get salary while learning new techniques and skills. Different projects require a different approach, and this gives you an opportunity to explore new methods and learn something new every day. Stable income. When you're employed, you will get a stable income. Even if the project is simple and easy, you will still get paid. As long as you do your work, you will get your salary. Next is your employment isn't tied to just one industry. Companies across a huge variety of industry need to promote their brands. This means that they need logos, brand guidelines, and ton of other important visual material to support them. This means there are plenty of opportunity to work from clients across a wide variety of industry. One day, you may be whipping up a promotional poster for a charity event, and the next day, you could be working on a logo for a healthcare company. Adding to this potential variety in the huge market of web graphic, no matter the industry, a website and social media presence are essential for developing a brand, which means plenty of potential project source for graphic designer. Many specialists to choose from. Graphic designer can specialize in a certain type of design if they like typography, web design, illustration, user experience design, 3D packaging, and more. Others limit themselves by only using one palette or specific materials. A specialization will make you an in-demand team member or freelancer. However, if you are skilled in a variety of this area, your versatility can help your employability. Next is not boring. When it comes to graphic design, there are always new technology and trends to learn. Style and aesthetic change so quickly in American culture, and technology shift and evolve just as quickly. If you want to stay relevant, it's essential to keep up with the times and make sure you're ready for whatever is up and coming. Having a curious mind and a teachable spirit will take you a long way in this profession. Each day your work is different. From presenting your design to eager clients to brainstorming your next design, you was hardly ever bored. Teleworking will often be possible for graphic designer. Another advantage of working as a graphic designer is that you will also be able to work remotely quite often. Many graphic designers just work in an office environment for a few days per week and spend the other days at home. Sure, you will also have to work at home. Yet, you will have much more freedom regarding how to structure your day and may also get some private things done during your work day. You will also have to spend less time commuting, while many other people who will have to be present at work in person all the time will just not have this luxury. Next is you always be collaborating. While sitting on your own and designing may seem like a lonesome task, you will always be collaborating with both the client and other creative individual through the design process. Good work-life balance. In general, most graphic designers report pretty good work-life balance. Most people who work in this field are pretty happy with the overall working condition, and some of them will be willing to work even more. You can work in multiple environments. The way work comes to graphic designer is pretty unique. You may find yourself as a part of small in-house team working strictly for a single client, or in a fast-paced agency environment that works with multiple clients with their own distinct visual feel. Graphic design is sometimes thought of as single discipline, but there are actually a variety of different specializations with the field. While some graphic designers are generalists and may work on multiple types of projects, others specialize in more particular type graphic design skill. Therefore, with the many perks and advantages of being a graphic designer, there are also many job fields for graphic designer to explore. Here's our most popular career paths for graphic designer in 2022. Brand identity design, marketing and advertising design, packaging design, web and user interface design, print and publication design, lettering and type design, graphic illustration, data visualization, and infographic designer. A career as graphic designer has become increasingly popular over the past decades. With the high demands digital touch in every single aspect in our life, graphic designers have many advantages in this era, such like wide work fields, job stability, and rare chance to express your limited imagination. Whether you choose to specialize in a particular type of graphic design or become a jack of all trades, you should keep in mind that those who do have a focused specialization can often command higher praise and are typically more in demand for the work that they do. Whatever type of design career you choose, remember to build a compelling design portfolio that reflects the types of field you want to get hired for. That's the end of my presentation. Now, let's move on to the some question and answer. Would anyone like to ask any questions? Yes, please introduce yourself.
Hello, my name is Adriani Facahyani, students from Telkom University, majoring in communication science. The question is, do I need communication skills to be a graphic designer?
Thank you, Adriana, for your questions. Of course, to be a graphic designer, you need a good basic communication skill. Graphic design is visual communication, so communication skills are at the heart of the graphic designer works. Not only do they need to communicate ideas through their design, but graphic designers also need to communicate with colleagues and clients. At times, Designer may need to explain a design decision or rationale to people without a design background. In addition, they will need both written and verbal communication skill for proposal and presentation. Is that enough?
Yes, thank you, but I would like to ask another question.
Sure.
Can I be a graphic designer if I can draw?
Okay, this is the most asked question those who interested in graphic designer. Can I be the graphic designer if I can draw? Drawing skills are not required to the majority of graphic design. Most of the time, graphic designer use the design software, so mastering the software is more important than improving your drawing skill. While you can certainly plan out concept through drawing, it's not essential. Some designers use simple sketch as a first step in their design process, but you create mock-up design software instead. In most cases, the final design product will not involve any drawing. Is that enough?
Yes, thank you.
Thank you, Adriana, for an amazing question. And this brings us to the end. Thank you so much for your time and attention. I would like to bring this presentation to close with these inspiring quotes. The best way to predict the future is to create it. Keep up the spirit and explore more of your skill to be good and professional graphic designer, and that has been a job calling for you. Bye-bye.